Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon, actually. Well, today is the day that I pick up the van. So it's been a month without the van, and I'm just leaving now. Got an Uber coming. Leaving now, and gonna go and pick up the van. So, wanna come? Wanna come with me? Come on. What else you gonna do?
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
It's a nice car. Oh, man, look at that. Do we see that? Do we recognize that? That is the van. Look at those wheels. Oh my God. Whew. Look at those wheels. They look incredible. Let's see the damaged side. Oh wow. They got rid of a bit of rust. You beauties. That looks absolutely spectacular. Wow, if I you can't believe how happy I am to see this van. My God, it looks incredible. Those rims look, I made the right choice. Look at that. All fixed up beautifully. Wow, above and beyond. That looks incredible. Well, I'm happy. Let's go and pay for it, get it sorted, and get in it. Alright, that is it. I've got the keys back. Those wheels look fucking awesome. I can't believe those wheels. And yeah, let's get in. Those wheels. Nice old, I wouldn't mind one of them, you know. Nice old box to pick them up for 10 grand. Yeah. Nice. Let's have a look inside. Alright. Everything's still working. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, all working. Ooh, this needs to clean up. Ah, it's good to be home. Look at those rims. I cannot get over these rims. My goodness, they look the bollocks. Whew. I am back. Yes, I am back. I cannot believe I'm back in my van. Bloke was looking at me going, what's he doing? What's he holding up? Why is he behaving strangely? Because I'm doing a bit of YouTubing, baby. God, it feels good to be back. Let's get this. There we go. Get this. Get that sorted out. Wow. It has been over a month since I've been in this van. My And the last time I drove it, I crashed it. So, well, didn't crash it, but you know, had the accident. So, wow. All right, let's get out of here. Where's my phone? All right, get back, and then jump in the Mini. Go and get a sunbed. Gotta go and get a sunbed. All right. Oh, don't park there. All right. Oh yeah, we are back in the game. We are back in the game. I got adrenaline going through my body because I'm so fucking hyped for this. To get in my van after a month. I haven't had it. And now, I'm back in it. Back in the mean machine, the black beast. Woo! Oh yeah. Ah, I'm loving it. I'm in heaven. Man, this is good. Alright, don't crash. Don't damage the vehicle. It is perfect now. More perfect than when it went in. Ah, I tell you, someone looks after me up there. He always has. And just looks after me. Thank you, Jesus. Man, this is awesome. See, I just heard it then as I was traveling, doing about 35 miles an hour. Heard that sort of off-road wheel hum. It's got that sort of, sounds like a whoosh as you're riding along. It's got that whooshy kind of sound as you drive along. So it's the big treads on the tyres, so interacting with the road, so you get a lot of noise. I've heard about that, but I don't care. They're gonna hear me coming. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. I am in heaven. They even sorted out that little rust patch. Just incredible. So yeah, they're going to get a very good review on their website, on old Trustpilot and Google or whatever. Yeah, very happy. Gonna have a good look at home, but from what I've seen, I am over the moon. My God, it's been worth the wait. 1 month, just over a month. Alright, granted 2 weeks of that was screwed from Christmas and New Year, but yeah, 1 month I've been out of my van. Oh, I just feel like I'm home. Oh yeah. Oh man, I've been a bit depressed. I've been feeling a bit low, comfort eating. Not myself, you know, not my usual self. But not now. I'm very happy. We're going on the M4. Wow, that's really warm, that heater. Alright, chat to you in a bit. Ooh, yeah, so just really putting all my stuff back in the cupboards and everything, getting all my kit put back in. Ah, jeez, it's so good to have this thing back. It felt like something was missing, you know, some integral part of me. It's amazing how attached we get to big chunks of metal. I mean, really emotionally attached, almost physically. Jesus. But yeah, oh, I just the relief that I'm feeling that, you know, I got my van back. It's not like I sent it in to get something done. Like when I put the roof on it, you know, I knew I was doing it, I had it scheduled, planned in, you know, booked in, and sort of drove it off. But to just have an accident like that, and then all of a sudden it's just taken from you. It's wrenched from you. It's more emotional. Certainly was for me. Like I say, I don't know how anyone can live full-time in a van. It's just too risky, you know, just knowing that it can get back. I suppose that's like life, really. You know, we swan around taking every minute of every day for granted, and you know, in an instant it can be gone. Only difference is you won't know anything about it unless you die painfully and suffer for hours. But yeah, I've been suffering for over a month without my van, but it's back now, and I am happy as a pig in. Yeah, very happy. Just got to pack up all this shit into the cupboards and everything, but reattach the gas and all that stuff. Yep. This is good. Look, so always double up on everything. I've got more water than I could possibly do. One fire extinguisher, but I've got an electric kettle in there. I've got a gas kettle. I've got an electric hob. I've got a gas hob. If they both break down, I've got a twig burner if I need to, and I've got a secondary under there. I've got a secondary gas hob as well. So yeah, always have your spares. I've got a ridge monkey. I've got a toaster. See, gas, twig burner, alternatives. You know, campfire or electric. You know, always have secondary sources of food and water and everything. You know, always make sure you've got 2 options at least. You know, that way you're never going to have a problem. But yeah, let me get this stuff put away. Then I've got to jump in the Mini, fly off to go and get a sunbed. Got to keep your vitamin D up, and yeah, and then probably come and sit in the van all night. I'll just be sitting in it, looking at it, touching it, feeling it, kissing it and caressing it. You know? I am happy as a pig in shit. You may be able to tell. Told you I'd be back in the van. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. It was just kind of like a reaction video, really. But it's dark now. Not going anywhere in the van tonight. Just been to Sainsbury's, and then had a sunbed before. And yeah, just gonna go and sort a few bits out in the house now. But tomorrow, if you like, I'm gonna give you a van tour, a long-awaited van tour with all the upgrades. So yeah, I think there's been a lot of upgrades since you got a last tour. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna get it anyway. So I'm gonna do a nice van tour, and I may go off down the coast tomorrow. Do a little bit of an overnighter, a little bit of a stealth camp along the coast next to the seafront, and then go to Deus Ex Mechanica. Nice little shop down there that I've been trying to get to for a while. Do motorbike stuff and surfing stuff, so real lifestyle stuff. So the idea is I might go down there sort of tomorrow, stay overnight. So go down late, stay overnight, and then have breakfast in Deus Ex Mechanica, because they got a fantastic little restaurant there, and have a look at their little shop there as well. Got some nice bits. So that's the plan. So yeah, see you next time.